The reality is that we collect information from all different types of sources, right? We're getting it through email, text messages, and even through chat and meeting notes that we're taking within Teams. So let's take a look today of how do we take this information that we need to take action on and turn it into either a to-do or a planner task. So stay tuned. We're going to jump right to it. So the first place that we want to start here, and we do have a guide that is available for this video. So stay tuned inside. I'll just kind of show it here to you. Stay tuned inside. I'm going to give you a link to download this step-by-step instruction if you need it. So here's what we're going to go over today. We're going to capture the tasks from a Teams chat, and then we're going to add it to a planner area. So let's go ahead and just start here. Our first set of instructions here, go to teams.microsoft.com, or if you're in Office 365, just click on the waffle, click on Teams, and then we're going to do all of this. So you can pause the video and see what we're talking about here, but let's just go ahead and get right to this. So let me extend that out a little bit so it's easy to grab. There we go. So here, what we've done is we've gone ahead, we're in Teams, we've gone to here, to our waffle, we've selected Teams, easy peasy. We've gone down here to General. Now, it might be like that. We're just going to click on General. That's, if you click on the team, it's going to come up, or you can click if you have different channels. And then here we're going to create the actual to-do item. So notice here with each message, I have this, right? This comment thing, and then the ellipsis here. I'm just going to capture this one. I could capture this one if I wanted to, or even Mickey Mouse if I want to. So let's just do this one. We're going to say here, and then we're going to go to more actions, and we're going to say create a task. Now, these other things, create task, this is specifically for to do. This is for planner. This is to create a new poll. And then this work item is kind of, it's an Azure, what they call Azure something. I can't, workspace, I think is what they call it. But it's more of a Slack kind of environment, more for developers. So what we're going to do is just click create task, pretty easy. Then we're going to go right into this screen. Now notice here at the top, I have these right here. These are to do. This is to do. And these are categories within my to do environment. And then you notice here are my teams that you see here, right? And personal is one of them. And this is my planner environment. So I just click on that, easy enough. Then I go through and I say, okay, where do I want that bucket? And I can put it in whatever bucket I want. I can assign a due date. And then I can select the priority and I can assign a person. Now, I don't post the reply about the task. I can do it if you like, just so you can see what it looks like, but I usually deselect that. And then here it embeds the actual Teams task. So let's go ahead and hit add tasks. Now you're going to see that the task has been added. And if we go over to Planner here, and right there, and we just update Planner, let's see if it's gone ahead and come through. And sure enough, it has. Now notice that I didn't change the name of the title. I probably should have done that, but I could just do that, change it pretty easy. Notice also here that it's right here in the task. When I click on it, I'm going to say use the web app. It's going to come back open and go right back to that team chat where we were just at on that other tab right there. Okay, and then you see here when I said post, this right here is the task. So now I can view the details of the task. So it's kind of a cross link between Teams and Planner. So that works out pretty well. And let's just see one other way here, if you like, for to do. So to do, we're just going to do the same thing. And by the way, I went off the instructions here. Here I explain about the tasks. Here I explain about Planner, hit add tasks, and then I talk about the task link, and then you adjust all this stuff, exactly what we did. Pretty simple set of instructions, but let's go ahead and play with to do real quick. So if we're going to do this for to do, we're just going to, whoops-a-daisy, we're going to click on there, click on more actions, create a task. Now we're going to need to sign into our tasks. Now tasks, remember, is kind of in this morphing state between Outlook tasks and to do tasks. We're not going to do that because I really don't want to do that on this machine. So, but that's how you do it. It's pretty easy to do. So that's about it on how you create an action item. Then when you create that action item, of course, now we need to look through what it is that we captured, right? Set a due date and then execute. And again, we can copy that task, move it, share it with others, assign it to others. It's all pretty streamlined from that point forward.